HCL Tech, Orient, ACC, Ambuja Cement, Belrise Industries and KSSHINTL stocks in news. HCL Tech shares in focus as firm to acquire Belgian startup Wobby. HCL Technologies Ltd's shares closed at 1,670 Indian rupees, before announcing its software division will acquire Belgian AI startup Wobby. The deal is expected to conclude by February 2026, with HCL aiming to strengthen its AI data analyst capabilities. HCL Technologies Ltd, through its software division HCL Software, has announced its intent to acquire Wobby, a Belgian startup based in Antwerp specializing in AI data analyst agents for data warehouses. The acquisition aims to accelerate clients' value realization from generative AI by expanding AI data analyst capabilities. Wobby's technology enables users to query complex datasets using a natural language interface, providing instant actionable insights. The deal is expected to close by February 2026. The integration of agentic AI data analyst capabilities is expected to strengthen Action's knowledge graph functionalities. Mark Power, CEO of Action and Portfolio General Manager of HCL Software's Data and AI Division, stated, "Customers want self-service analytics with AI-driven insights that they can trust." Orient Cement, Ambuja Cements shares rally up to 10%, ACC drops, here's why. Shares of Orient Cement climbed 9.85% to hit a high of 180 rupees apiece in early trade. ACC shares fell 0.8% to 1,761.40 rupees apiece. Ambuja Cements added 2% to 550.85 rupees apiece after the Adani Group companies announced a merger scheme where Orient Cement and ACC would merger with Ambuja Cements. The scheme details hinted at gains for Orient shareholders, not so for ACC as the stock trades at discount to Ambuja Cements. For every 100 equity shares held in ACC, eligible shareholders will receive 328 equity shares of Ambuja Cements, while for every 100 equity shares held in Orient Cement, shareholders will receive 33 equity shares of Ambuja Cements. Belrise share price surges 12% on 897 rupees crore block deal, Plazen Sasa deal. The Belrise stock jumped 11.59% to hit a high of 176.72 rupees on NSE, taking its year-to-date gains to 81% earlier in the day. 5,83,43,040 shares worth 896.73 rupees crore changed hands in a block at 153.70 rupees apiece. Shares of Belrise Industries surged 12% in Tuesday's trade after 897 rupees crore worth shares got traded in a block earlier today, and as the company announced strategic partnership with Plazen Sasa to pursue ATEM series vehicles for the Indian military market. Belrise Industries and Plazen Sasa announced a strategic partnership to jointly pursue opportunities in the Indian military market, centered on the deployment of the ATEM all-terrain electric mission module platform. Under the agreement, the two companies said they would collaborate to introduce and adapt the ATEM system for Indian defense applications. KSH International shares disappointed on market debut, stock lists at 4% discount. KSH International sold its shares in the price band of 365 to 384 rupees apiece, applied for a minimum of 39 shares and its multiples to raise 644.45 rupees crore between December 16 to 18. Shares of KSH International made a disappointing Dalal Street debut on Tuesday, December 23 as the exporter of magnet winding wires settled at 379 rupees on both BSE and NSE, a discount of 3.65% over its issue price of 384 rupees. As of the listing price, investors made a loss of 546 rupees for every lot of 39 equity shares allotted to them. Initially, KSH International was planning to raise a total of 710 rupees crore IPO, which was cut down to 644.45 rupees crore. The fresh share sale was not slashed, but the offer for sale OFS portion was trimmed by 65.55 rupees crore from 290 rupees crore to 224.45 rupees crore earlier. The issue was originally booked at only 83% with just 1.15 lakh applications. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.